Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to create, how to define a business partner in SAP system. Why we create business partner in SAP system? So business partner, short BP we have used. So business partner is the single unified master data object, okay, for your customers, for your vendor or suppliers. Okay, previously in ECC server we use customer for different T codes, XD01 for vendor, XK01 master, but now in business partner we have single T code. Through that T code we have maintained both the vendors as well as the customer we have maintained, so it is very easy in HANA. So business partner, so there are different T codes we use for business partner. I will show you. Business partner we called BP. That is our second configuration. So in business partner, we called BP is the single unified master data object for the customers and vendor or suppliers. So what are the T codes we have used for create BP? Sir, for create, change or display we use the same T code, that is BP. If we want to see list of customers, then we use vcust. If we want to see list of supplier, that time we use mkvz. So these are the T codes we are using to create and see list of all the business partner. So now use T code BP for create a business partner. Okay, so in business partner we have different roles. Now I will show in the system. Okay, use T code BP. You see BP, press enter. Now here I have two options. Maintain business partner profile. In this window we have two options. If you want to create a new business partner, then go with organization. Okay, and here you see create organization. If you want to see your existing business partner, that time you go with this open BP. So now I want to create a business partner, so click on organization. Okay, so this is the field. Automatically system generate a business partner, and here you see business partner number automatically system will generate, and create in BP rows. So these are all the rows. So some rows are customized, some rows are standard. Okay, so we will use the standard rows. And here you see grouping. So grouping is used for which type of business partner is generated. So for that in backend we have saved a number range. Okay, so what type of number range we have saved for our business partner? We get those number range with the help of this grouping. Okay, one by one SAP give a number for a particular business partner. So our grouping, that is SPL, supplier MM, SPL supplier MM. So create BP first role. Okay, 6 times 0, this is for general data. General data means common data like business partner name, their communication details, address, language, so that we have enter. Okay, now first select for what we have configured company title. Let's suppose business partner, SVKM. So business partner SVKM. Okay, this is our business partner. Search term. So when we'll use this business partner in SAP, that time we easily find out our business partner. So for that we given a search term. Through that search term, whenever we require a business partner, through this keyword we have to search. Okay, now street, let's suppose I am given 15, house number, let's suppose 5, postal code, give a pin code, let's suppose city Mumbai, country India, region Maharashtra. So for Maharashtra we have 30 number code. Okay, PO box, enter your PO box, postal box, enter your postal code, that is pin code. Select language, English language I have to select. Mobile number, so give a mobile number. Email ID, let's suppose this is the email ID. Okay, so this way you have to any alternative email, mobile number and communication detail you can add. Okay, business partner BP SVKM we have add. So this is the way you have enter all the common information related to your business partner. Then press enter, you see your error is removed. Okay, now check. Here you see a green message is coming. This is for no address for your business partner, because currently system is not know this business partner. Okay, is for whom. So now when we will save, that time system will identify. So click on save and you can see here business partner is generated. Now if you want to check, so you can find business partner is error free. So this is the way you have to enter your general data. Now we make this business partner as a customer, as a supplier or vendor. So first we enter all the vendor related information in this business partner. So for that we have two roles. Okay, we have two roles. Here you see FI vendor, this is for FI consultants. Okay, and vendor, this is for purchaser MM. Okay, so one by one we have maintained both the roles. So first select FLVN01. So when you have to select, click on S. Now you see when you will select this FLVN01, you will see a purchasing icon is coming on your right side. So click on this purchasing. Now enter your purchasing. So our purchasing, that is PO11. So you can enter your purchasing. Press enter. Order currency. So order currency INR. Payment terms 0001. So this way you have to enter all the information. Now first check if it is error free. Yeah, data business partner is error free. So for purchasing we have enter. Now save. So you have entered all the purchasing related information. Similarly select FLVN00, that is for your company code related information. So click on company code, and under company code, so first you enter your company code. So this is my company code. Accordingly you have to enter your company code. So company code SVK1 I have entered. You can enter your company code. Reconciliation account. Reconciliation account is used for all the transaction whatever we will do with this business partner, that all store in the reconciliation account, that is our GL account. So I will enter 164 time 0, this is my GL account, press enter, account payable. Okay, vendor transaction, terms of payment 0001. So that I have select. Now check. So you see data of business partner is error free. So first check it is data of business partner is error free or not. If it is error free, then save it. So this is the way you have to enter your FI related information in the business partner. Now this two rows FLVN00, FLVN01, these two rows for your vendor or your supplier. Okay, similarly FLCU01, FLCU00, these two rows are for your customer. So one by one we have to maintain. So first select FLCU00. So when you will select FLCU00, you will see okay a company code on right side. Click on that company code. So this okay, your window will open for your customer company code. Okay, now enter your customer company code, press enter, reconciliation account, enter your reconciliation account where you want to store all the transaction related to your customer. So 141,000 I have select, payment terms 0001. So this is the way you have to enter. Now check it. So when you will check it, data business partner is error free. Now save it. Okay, and you can see your customer number, supplier number automatically coming. Okay, when you will maintain this business partner. Now select FLCU01 for storing all the sales and distribution related information. Sales related information, click on it. SO11 sales organization, distribution channel 01, division 01. Enter your organization related information. Now press enter. You can see sales district, in which region you have to send your materials. So northern region or southern region. So let's suppose I have select northern region. Press enter. System asking price group and customer pricing procedure. So I have select standard 01. Similarly customer pricing procedure 01. So this way you have to select. Now press enter. Now you can see your error is removed. Okay, now click on shipping. Here we have to maintain all the shipping related information. So like delivery priority, yes, we have select one priority. Let's suppose I have select high priority. Okay, then delivery plant, let's suppose I am giving delivery plant SV11. Shipping condition standard I have select. Press enter. You can see all the text automatically coming. Now check it is error free or not. So it is error free. Now save it. Now save it, and you can see change has been saved. Okay, so this is the way you have to maintain your business partner. Now you can see business partner, this is for your general data. You can see here this is for your general data. Similarly if you want to see your FI customer related information, you can see all the information about your customer. Similarly if you want to see sales and distribution related information for your customer, so you can also see here what you have maintained. Similarly FLVN00 for your vendor company code, and here you see all the information you have maintained. Same FLVN01, you can see all the purchasing related information you have entered. Okay, so this is the way Through this way, you have maintained your business partner as per customer, as per supplier. Thank you guys.